If you've been thinking about becoming a health coach, or maybe you're already certified and you're sitting there wondering why your business isn't growing the way you thought it would, well, then this is the video for you. I am about to break down exactly what you're going to walk away with from FDN's biggest event of the year. It's called Summer Open House, and why this isn't just another watch a webinar and forget about it kind of event. Summer Open House is a month-long event where we bring in the top FDN practitioners who have actually built the business of your dreams. This isn't theory. We're not talking gurus. We're talking real practitioners running real online practices, and they are handing you their playbook. So let's get into what you're actually going to learn. The number one thing I hear from health coaches is, I just don't know how to market myself effectively. You went into this work because you love helping people, not because you're a marketing expert. Nobody handed you a marketing degree on your way out of the certification. And the advice that you see all over social media is post 5 times a day on Instagram or spend $5,000 a month on ads. And neither of those feel authentic to you. At Summer Open House, our speakers are breaking down how to actually market yourself as an FDN, how to talk about what you do in a way that makes the right people lean into what you have to say, how to show up online or in person, but it eating up every hour of your day, how to attract clients who are ready to invest in your program instead of chasing people who keep saying, let me think about it. And for the practitioners who hate social media, you're going to learn how to grow your practice without it. That's a real session on the agenda. The second thing everybody wants to know is how to scale an online coaching business to 6 figures and beyond. And honestly, most of the advice out there is garbage, promising 20K weeks without any depth in their program. It's either you have to manifest it or just raise your prices. And neither of those tell you what you actually have to do on Monday morning. At Summer Open House, you're going to hear from practitioners who have actually done it, multiple 6 figures, some of them knocking on 7. And they're not giving you the highlight reel. They're showing you the exact steps so you can implement as well. What pivots they use to actually move the revenue needle, what they wasted years on, and how they stopped being the bottleneck in their own business, how they got out of the weeds of the day-to-day things through automation and utilizing tools that help them be more efficient and started running things like they are an actual CEO instead of a solo practitioner drowning in client notes at 10 p.m. If you've been stuck at K, 5K, 10K, and you can't figure out what the next move is, this is the room you're going to want to be in. And the third thing that I hear most is how to build a referral-based business so you don't have to be on sales calls all day, every day, hustling for your next client. No DM closing and no convincing. Here's the thing that nobody tells you. The best practices in this industry aren't built on cold leads on Instagram. They're built on word of mouth. Clients getting results, telling their sister, telling their best friend, telling their coworker. That's how you build an actual business that lasts. And at Summer Open House, you're going to learn how to set up your practice so referrals come in on autopilot, how to get client results so good that they can't stop talking about you, how to structure your offers so people want to refer you, and how to do it all without getting on a sales call that feels like you're a used car salesman. So here's the deal. Summer Open House is free. The speakers are the real deal, and you're going to walk away with the marketing strategy, the scaling to 6 figures roadmap, and a referral system to build an online practice that actually fits in with your life. You got into this work to help people, not to do all of the monotonous jobs daily. The link to register is in the description below. Come hang out with us. We're saving you a seat.